Mrs. Meacham wants you to make sure your name is on all four sides. Your initials can be on all four sides. You do not need your book box number.
Then we do a 0 first, don't it?
That would be my number. You can do your number though, that would be fine. When you have your name on all four sides, please make sure that your packet is folded so that you can see number 1.
1. I don't need a clipboard. I'm on number 425. Yeah,
Okay, say number 1.
Number 1.
Boys and girls, for number 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're going to do the same thing. Number 1 is dealing with flowers. Number 2 is dealing with suns. Number 3, apples. And number 4, fish. It says write the partners and the total. Say partners.
Partners.
What are the partners for the flowers, boys and girls?
5 and 4. 9 and 4.
I'm sorry, I cannot hear you.
5 and 4.
And 5 and 4 are partners of what?
9.
All right, let's move on to the sun. The suns. How many suns do we have for partners?
1.
Oh, let's say that again. I heard 3 different numbers.
1.
1 and 6 are partners of what?
7.
Okay, move on down to number 3, apples. 2 apples on the tree and 4 apples off of the tree. How many apples?
6.
2 and 4 are partners of 6. Who can think of a story for number 4? Mikhail?
There were 3 fish and 2 more swims by.
3 fish and 2 more swam by. 3 and 2 are partners of
5.
5. Moving on to number 5 and 6, boys and girls, we have circle drawings. Some of the circles are red and the other circles are white. It says write the partners and then the total. Then write the equation. Boys and girls, when you write the equation, it is okay if you do the total first. Or it's okay if you do the total last. Since it's an addition story problem, you can do the total first or the total last. Boys and girls, what are the partners for number 5? 5 and 3.
It's 8.
5 and 3 is 8. Go ahead and write the equation. I'm going to write my equation with the total first.
I said
On number 6, oh, go ahead.
plus 8 equals 3.
You did? Are you a puzzled penguin? 5 plus 3 is not, I'm sorry, 8 plus 3 is not 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Make sure that your total is either before the, if you're doing your total first, you have to have the big number first, the total first. What are the partners of number 6, boys and girls? Oh, let me hear that again. I heard somebody say 10, that the partners are 10. Yes, 6 and 4 are 10. For this one, I'm going to write an equation where my total is last.
I know 6 plus 3 is 9 equals 4, 6.
For numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, please underline the greater number. You do have permission to circle the greater number if you like that strategy better. I happen to like the strategy of circling the greater number. I'm going to go ahead and circle the greater number in every one of these problems.
You have to draw the dots.
That is up to you if you want to draw the dots. I like drawing the dots because I know it's easier to keep track of where I am. Some of you may use fingers. Can you guys do this with me?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
7,
7,
8, 9, 10. Okay, say 5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9. Louder, friends. 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's only 2 dots there, not 3. Oh no! When I circle this, I can't see it now. What does yours say? Okay, I know that 6 and 4 is 10, and 8 and 2 is 10, and 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why is that notebook thing blinking? That notebook.
Okay, friends, please flip your paper so that you can see number 17. Number 17 is about crayons, purple crayons to be more exact. We're going to do number 17 and 18. You will use the picture to help you write how many are left. Does that mean we're going to be adding or subtracting if we're going to find how many are left?
Subtract.
Yes. How many are left is a clue. How many are left is a clue.
It's mine. It's mine.
We are going to be subtracting.
Subtracting. Very well, subtract. Can we do the break?
Okay, let's say this together. There are 10 crayons. One more time. There are 10 crayons. Then 2 are lost. Brayden, I like your idea of doing a break apart, but don't forget, you must cross off 2. Try not to scribble them out so much that you can't see them. We want to still be able to see that 2 were lost. What is 10 subtract 2? What is 10 take away 2? 8. Still have 8. Let's read this together, boys and girls.
There are 7
Sailboats. Then 3 sail away.
4.
4 are left. 19, 20, and 21, you are going to be subtracting. They tell you what to subtract. For number 19, how many will you subtract?
4.
Go ahead, subtract 4. For number 20, how many will you subtract?
3.
3. Thank you, Mikhail. And for number 21, how many will you subtract?
8.
Thank you. Am I done?
No.
No, I'm not done. You're right, Maddie.
Oh, no.
Maddie, they want me to write the equation now. That means, boys and girls, I need to figure out how many were there before I subtracted. On number 19, how many were there before I subtracted?
10.
I had 10, and I subtract how many?
4.
4, and that leaves
6.
6. Thank you. For number 20, how many were there before I subtracted 3? 6. Ooh. I know that 3 and 3 are partners of 6. I'm going to use that related fact to help me figure out that answer. And for number 21, how many were there before I subtracted 8?
9.
Thank you, Brayden. 9, take away 8. Easy breezy.
1.
Okay, first grade mathematicians, I need you to go ahead and flip your page so that you see the last page in your packet. It will start with number 21 at the top. I'm sorry, number 22 at the top. Number 22, number 23, and number 24, they're asking you to use what you know about addition to solve for subtraction. Take a look. Take a look. I want green actually. Take a look at number 22.
It kind of gives you a clue.
Yeah, it does. It's a clue because these are fact families. They're related. Boys and girls, if you know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, you can say that you also know that 10 minus 4 is 6. Because, hold on, because 4 and 6 are partners of 10.
Do we underline it?
Underline what? Nope, they don't need you to do that. Boys and girls, for number 23, if you know that 7 plus 2 equals 9, you can also say that you know that 9 minus 2 equals 7. Because 7 and 2 are partners of 9. They work together. They work together. And the next one you probably think is easy breezy. If you know that 5 plus 5 is 10, then you also know that 10 take away 5 is 5. Because 5 and 5 are partners of 10. On number 25, we have an extended response. Extended response means you're going to do more than just write numbers. They may ask you to act something out. They may ask you to write a story problem. They may ask you to draw something. Who would like to read this paragraph right here next to the red extended response? Do we have any volunteers? Grant, nice and loud, Grant.
Extended response. Write an equation for the story. Make
Proof drawing.
to show that the equation is true. Write the vertical form.
Here are some important words we cannot forget. They want us to make a what?
Proof drawing.
And they want us to show an equation in vertical form.
What's that?
Okay, vertical form. It's like you're standing up. Okay? Oops. I meant to do an arrow like this. It's the standing up, okay? That's vertical.
It's kind of like a ruler.
Yeah, like you're standing a ruler up the long way.
Well, no, how about the kid is a ruler?
But hold on a second. What's the opposite of vertical?
Horizontal.
That means that guy wants to take a nap. So he is lying down.
Put a sheet over him.
I don't want to put a sheet over him.
That he'll have no face, like,
Horizontal. Say ready, set, go. Hold on a second. We have a problem. We didn't read the problem. We have to read this. Brayden, can you do it in a nice loud voice for us?
6 children are playing baseball. 3 more children join them. Now 9 children are playing baseball. Wait, how many?
9 children are playing baseball. We have to figure out, is this true or is it false? Don't just say the answer. I want you to draw a proof drawing. Uh-oh, I'm a puzzled penguin. What did I do with my equation? I'm supposed to make it vertical. Did I make it vertical?
No.
Oh dear, and I didn't even do that on purpose. I really am a puzzled penguin. If you are like me and you did not make it vertical, 6 children plus 3 children.
That's what you have to do?
Yes, it needs to be in vertical form. So if you did not do it in vertical form, please do it in vertical form.
Wait, I didn't do it.
Uh-oh, I'm also another puzzle penguin. I missed something else. I have an equation. I have it in vertical form, but I didn't do the proof drawing. Where's my proof drawing? Is the equation true or false?
True.
Yep.
I recognize that because it wasn't.
Moving on. Friends, please flip your page so that you see number 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have the red chests, the red boxes. Inside of those red boxes, we have some cars that are hiding. We have some boats that are hiding. We have some dolls that are hiding. And we have some balls that are hiding. My strategy for this one is to write the number that are hiding right on top of the box, and then it's easier to count on. On number 7, how many cars are hiding in the box?
5.
5 and 4 is
9.
How many boats are hiding in the box?
6.
Let's count on. Say 6.
7, 8, 9.
Nice. How many dolls are in the box? 8 and 2 are
10.
10. And we have 3 balls hiding in the box. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.